In this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your Wells Fargo account. If you're also trying to log in to the online banking service of Wells Fargo, then in this video, let me show you how it's done. Now, before I move on and show you, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more interesting videos just like this. Open up your web browsers and search for wellsfargo.com, which is the website of Wells Fargo. Now once you are on the home screen, on the left hand side, you can see this login box. If you don't see this box, you can also click on the sign on button on the top right. And it's gonna again take you to the sign on page of Wells Fargo. Now here you need to type in your username first. So type in the exact username that you used or that you created while signing up for online banking. In the next step, type in the password. And if you want to reveal this password, you can click on this eye icon. Now, however, if you don't remember either your username or your password, you can click on Forgot Username or Password option. And through this section, you can type in your social security number or your tax ID number to recover your username and the password. Once you type in both this information, and if the information that you entered is correct, you can click on Sign On, and you will be successfully logged in or signed in to your Wells Fargo online banking. So that's all it takes to log in to your Wells Fargo account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'm going to be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.